Keywords are the backbone of search engine optimization, SEO, and finding the right ones is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website. However, the competition for popular keywords can be fierce, making it difficult to rank high in search engine results. That's where low competition keywords come into play. These are less competitive but highly relevant keywords that can help your website stand out and attract targeted traffic. In this guide, we will explore the importance of low competition keywords, methods to discover them, and strategies to effectively use them to enhance your SEO success. Understanding the importance of low competition keywords. Low competition keywords are specific phrases or terms that have a lower number of websites competing for them in search engine rankings. Unlike high competition keywords, which may be dominated by established websites with significant authority and resources, low competition keywords offer a golden opportunity for smaller websites to gain visibility and rank higher in search results. Benefits of using low competition keywords. Enhanced visibility. Targeting low competition keywords allows your website to appear on the first page of search engine results more easily, increasing your visibility to potential visitors. Better targeting. Low competition keywords are usually more specific and niche focused, attracting visitors who are genuinely interested in your content or products. Cost effectiveness. In advertising campaigns, low competition keywords often have lower bidding costs, making them a cost-effective alternative to high competition keywords. Faster ranking. As there is less competition, you can expect quicker improvements in search engine rankings when using low competition keywords. Finding low competition keywords. Keyword research tools. There are numerous keyword research tools available that can help identify low competition keywords. Popular options include Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, and Moz Keyword Explorer. These tools provide valuable insights into keyword search volume, competition level, and related keywords. Long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer and more specific phrases that target a particular audience. They often have low competition since they are not as frequently targeted by larger websites. Utilizing long-tail keywords can attract visitors who are more likely to convert into customers due to the increased relevance of your content to their search queries. Analyze competitors. Examine your competitors' content and target keywords. Look for gaps in their strategy and identify potential low-competition keywords that you can leverage to gain an edge. User-generated content and Q&A platforms. Review user-generated content platforms like Quora, Reddit, and online forums related to your niche. These platforms can be a goldmine of ideas for low-competition keywords, as they are based on real questions and discussions from your target audience. Google Autocomplete and related searches. Utilize Google's autocomplete feature to discover related keyword phrases and search queries. Additionally, scroll to the bottom of the search results page to find the related searches section, which can provide valuable insights into what users are searching for in connection to your primary keyword. Using low competition keywords effectively. Content optimization. Once you have identified your low competition keywords, optimize your website's content accordingly. Ensure that your chosen keywords are incorporated naturally into your page titles, headings, meta descriptions, and the main body of your content. Create high-quality content. While targeting low-competition keywords is essential, it is equally crucial to deliver high-quality content that meets your audience's needs. Valuable and informative content encourages visitors to stay on your site longer, reducing bounce rates and increasing the likelihood of repeat visits. Avoid keyword stuffing. Although it's important to use your keywords strategically, avoid keyword stuffing, the practice of excessively and unnaturally incorporating keywords into your content. Keyword stuffing can harm your website's SEO and user experience, leading to lower rankings and higher bounce rates. Internal linking. Utilize internal links to connect related content within your website. This not only helps users navigate your site, but also assists search engines in understanding the structure of your website and the relationship between different pages. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly track the performance of your low-competition keywords using analytics tools. Analyze how these keywords are driving traffic, engagement, and conversions. This data will help you refine your strategy over time and identify additional opportunities. Conclusion. In the ever-competitive digital landscape, leveraging low-competition keywords is a strategic approach to boost your website's SEO success. These specific, relevant, and niche-focused keywords offer a pathway to improved visibility, increased traffic, and higher conversion rates. By combining diligent keyword research, content optimization, and user-focused strategies, you can harness the power of low-competition keywords to achieve long-term SEO success and outperform your competitors in the online arena.